Hey Graham. Well, here we are at the end of kindergarten. Definitely not the way that I thought we would end this school year. I'm here in the classroom all by myself. There's nobody else around. It is so quiet, and I wish you guys were here with me, playing and having fun with your classmates and hanging out with me. But since we couldn't be together, I wanted to send you a message and let you know what award I picked for you for the end of the year. And the award I picked for Graham Ryan is a One in a Chameleon award for your unique points of view, because you really had some great points and different ways of looking at things, and you were always willing to share those things. And I want to thank you for that, because you challenged me to be a better teacher and to think of things in a different way. And I wanted to thank you for that. I hope that you continue to use the gifts that God gave you to do great things, and I know you will. So I hope you have a wonderful summer,